We're joined this morning by, from left to right, FIA President Mohammed Ben Sulayem, Markus Duesmann, the CEO of Audi AG, Oliver Hoffmann, Chief Technical Officer of Audi AG, and Stefano Domenicali, President and CEO of Formula One. A very warm welcome.
I want to officially announce that Audi has officially registered as PU Formula One manufacturer. So we will, in 2026, start racing in F1. Racing, motorsport, is in the DNA of Audi. Audi has always been active and been successful in motor racing. And if you think about Le Mans or Rally Dakar, what we do now, DTM and Formula E, we have always been very active and very successful, and we want to continue this success story now in Formula One. And I think it's a perfect timing due to the new rules that are established now for us to enter F1. And there are many aspects. F1, we have decided to be a full electric car manufacturer. And F1 did change the rules in a way that we can enter with a very high electric part of the powertrain with renewable fuels. And Formula One have installed a cost cap that makes it very attractive for us to enter now.
So as Markus mentioned before, the Formula One is a pinnacle of motorsport. Yeah? And as I mentioned before, we started to electrify our motorsport program in 2012. We were the first winning Le Mans with a TDI. We were the first winning the Le Mans with a hybrid car. We were the first German car manufacturer winning the Formula E, and the next step is entering the Formula One. And there is a completely new reglement for 2026, which allows us to develop a lot more sustainable and electrified powertrain. And Markus mentioned before, we will host our development for the powertrain in Neuburg, so powertrain made in Germany. And yeah, it's not a long way to 2026. We have to speed up, and I'm really happy to announce it today, and then we can officially work on the powertrain. I love this challenge.
Well, actually, it's a great day for the sport. And when there is a new journey starting, you see the emotion of the people involved, the positive emotion. It's a journey that started in a way many years ago, and personally I'm very happy to see that now is coming to a real life, as you may understand. But it's good because Formula One is even an incredible moment today. And this is another step into the growth of what Formula One represents in terms of leadership of innovation, sport entertainment, and great technical challenges. And I think that hybridization with sustainable fuel is a direction that will enable manufacturers and teams to work very hard to keep the highest standard in terms, as I said, of new ideas that will be able to keep the manufacturer always with different solutions ready for the portfolio to offer to the customer. But we are a sporting platform, thanks to the FIA, because of the vision that we had together to that allow the actual manufacturer to have other competitors. That's the beauty of the sport. That's the beauty of Formula One of today.
First of all, it's a milestone. If you talk about Audi, I drove Audi in my career, and that was a very amazing experience to drive a four-wheel drive on the gravel, the speed, the sheer speed, the amusement. But this journey, as Markus said, and Stefano, it hasn't been an idea that just came now, but I would like to thank also the whole team, if it's the F1 or the Audi or also the FIA team. It took 6 months from my time, but to be here, this is where the fruits comes. Definitely, it's going to change a lot. I mean, if we didn't change in the FIA, the PU, we wouldn't have given the opportunity to new teams to come. There is no way a big manufacturer would come at a PU, as a PU supplier if they don't have the chance. Nobody would go there to be humiliated. You see, this is the open time now, but the negotiation was a lot of and it ups and down, engaging all the time with Audi and with the teams and with Stefano. So the results are fruitful.
Are we ready? Let's start. Okay, thank you.
Motorsport gehört zur Audi DNA. Wir waren in verschiedenen Rennsportarten sehr erfolgreich und machen jetzt die neue Challenge. Die Voraussetzungen sind geschaffen durch die Änderung des Reglements für 2026 und deshalb ist jetzt der perfekte Zeitpunkt für uns. Gut, das neue Reglement greift ab 2026. Das ist extrem ambitioniert, weil in weniger als 4 Jahren stehen wir mit dem Formel-1-Auto an der Rennstrecke. Die Entwicklung machen wir in Neuburg an der Donau mit dem tollen Team von der Audi Sport. Ja, und wir freuen uns sehr auf diese Challenge. Racing is in the DNA of Audi. The rules changed in a way that we can start with a brand new powertrain from Audi, and so very efficient powertrains, and Audi this fits perfectly together. Well, it is a big challenge to have a powertrain in the Formula One car in less than 4 years from now. But we have a great team in Neuburg. We have great facilities in Neuburg at Audi Sport. And so it will be possible for us to make big steps now. We invest already in the facilities. So I'm really up for that challenge.
Der Zeitplan ist ambitioniert, aber wir haben ein hochmodernes Motorsportzentrum in Neuburg. Wir haben State-of-the-Art Prüftechnik. Wir haben eine extrem motivierte Mannschaft dort. Wir haben sehr, sehr viel Erfahrung mit elektrifizierten Powertrains und wir sind im Zeitplan. And there's still a way to go, but we have a state-of-the-art motorsport center in Neuburg. We have a state-of-the-art test benches there. We have a lot of experience with electrified powertrains, and the main factor, we have a highly motivated expert team there, and we're on track.